Hello, how to solve this Ronico problem? This is square root of t power 3 equals square root of 2 to the power of 3. Solving for all the values of t that satisfy this equation. So you have square root of a to the power of n. This is a to the power of n raised to the power of 1 over 2 because of the square root here. So we apply the same thing here. This is t power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2. And this equals 2 to the power of 3. And this is raised to the power of 1 over 2. So what we are going to do will be to apply this order identity. If you have a power n raised to the power of n, this equals a power n raised to the power of n. Applying this right here, we have t power 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. And this equals 2 power 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. Now, if you have a power 1 over 2, this equals square root of a. So now we have t power 1 over 2. This is square root of t raised to the power of 3 equals this is square root of 2 raised to the power of 3. Now what we can do is to move this over here. We have square root of t raised to the power of 3 minus square root of 2 raised to the power of 3. This equals 0. Now, if you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2, and from here we have a equals root t and b equals root 2. So inserting them here, we have square root of t minus root 2 times square root of t raised to the power of 2 plus square root of t times square root of 2 plus square root of 2 raised to the power of 2 equals 0. So from here we have square root of t minus square root of 2. This cancels this. I have t plus square root of t times square root of 2 is square root of 2t. This cancels this. I have 2. And this equals 0. From here, I can equate each of these to 0. I have square root of t minus square root of 2 equals 0. I have t plus square root of 2t plus 2 equals 0. So let's solve these individual equations. I have square root of t equals square root of 2. This cancels this. That means t equals 2. That is my t1. For this other one here, I move this 2 and also I move the t over there. I have square root of 2t equals negative 2 minus t. Taking the squares of both part of this equation, this cancels this. Of 2t equals negative 2 minus t squared. And this means we are going to have 2t equals negative 2 minus t times negative 2 minus t. 2t equals negative 2 times negative 2. We have 4 negative 2 times minus t. We have plus 2t this time this. We have plus 2t this time this. We have plus t squared. So from here, we have 2t equals 4 plus 4t plus t squared. So we move 2t over here. We have 0 equals 4 plus 4t plus t squared minus 2t. So from there we have 0 equals 4 plus 2t. This is 4t minus 2t plus t squared. So let's rearrange this. You have t squared plus 2t plus 4 equals 0. So to solve this using the formula method of solving a quadratic equation, so we are going to write the formula method. We have t equals square root of negative b plus or minus. This is negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. The equation of t squared is 1, that is our a. The equation of t is 2, that is our b. And c is 4. We have t equals negative b, that is negative 2, plus or minus square root of b squared to power 2 minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a. So from here we have t equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared, that is 4 minus 4 times 1 times 4 divided by 2. So from here I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of, this is negative 12 divided by 2. From here I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus, there is minus here, a square root of negative 1 times square root of 12 divided by 2. So from here I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 1 is I times square root of 12, that is 4 times 3 divided by 2. So from here I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 4, that is 2, we have root 3 there divided by 2. 2 eliminates 2 here. We have t equals negative 1 plus or minus I root 3. So we have two complex values for t. We have t2 equals negative 1 plus I root 3. We have t3 equals negative 1 minus I root 3. So these are the two complex values. And we also have one real value for t, which is t equals 2. Now, you can easily check. This one is very simple to check. This is square root of t power 3 equals square root of 2 power 3. Our real solution t equals 2. We have square root of 2 power 3 equals square root of 2 power 3. Which is square root of 8 equals square root of 8, because 2 power 3 is 8, and we have it that way. So guys, this is it, and this is how you can solve this type of radical problem step by step. And I believe you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.